How to build wealth with a traditional job. Building wealth is a goal that many people aspire to achieve. It is a process that requires a combination of discipline, patience, and hard work. While there are many ways to build wealth, having a traditional job is one of the most reliable ways to do so. In this video, we will discuss the steps you can take to become wealthy with a traditional job. Step 1. Establish a budget. The first step in building wealth with a traditional job is to establish a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your income and expenses. It helps you track your spending and ensure that you're living within your means. To establish a budget, you need to determine your monthly income and expenses. Your income includes your salary, bonuses, and any other sources of income. Your expenses include your rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, groceries, and other bills. Once you have determined your income and expenses, you can allocate your money accordingly. A budget helps you identify areas where you can save money and invest it in wealth-building opportunities. Step 2. Pay off debt. Paying off debt is a crucial step in building wealth. Debt can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. It is essential to pay off high-interest debt such as credit card debt, personal loans, and student loans. The interest on these types of debt can accumulate quickly, and it can be challenging to get out of debt once you're in it. Paying off debt frees up money that you can use to invest in wealth-building opportunities. Step 3. Save and invest. Saving and investing are two critical components of building wealth. Saving helps you build an emergency fund and invest in wealth-building opportunities. It is essential to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an emergency fund. This fund can help you weather financial storms and avoid going into debt. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets. The key is to diversify your investments to minimize risk. Step 4. Maximize your earnings. Maximizing your earnings is another way to build wealth with a traditional job. By asking for a raise, pursuing promotions, or starting a side hustle. Increasing your income helps you save more money and invest in wealth-building opportunities. Step 5. Stay committed to your goals. Building wealth takes time and patience. It's essential to stay committed to your goals and stick to your budget. It's also crucial to avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when you increase your spending as your income increases. This can prevent you from reaching your financial goals. In conclusion, building wealth with a traditional job is possible. It requires a combination of discipline, patience, and hard work. By establishing a budget, paying off debt, saving and investing, maximizing your earnings, and staying committed to your goals, you can build wealth over time. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your goals, and you will achieve financial freedom.